Hello my friends, my name is Belinda if you don't know me from What Matters Most, and today I'm going to be guiding you through Surya Namaskar A, otherwise known as Sun Salutations A. This is a series of 12 poses for warming, strengthening and aligning the body from head to toe. It's something you can practice on your own, anywhere, and starting at your own pace. Maybe you enjoy going a little bit faster, which can be quite stimulating, or maybe you enjoy going nice and slow, which is calming and quite meditative. The important thing is connecting your breath to the movements and being mindful of your alignment. If your alignment is out, you could potentially injure yourself. So let's begin. We can begin standing towards the front edge of your mat, feet together or feet hip-width apart. Sending the weight down into the heels, feeling the thighs activate, tailbone down, chest lifted, crown lifted, palms to your chest. And just starting with a nice deep breath in and out through the nose. Inhale, reaching the arms up and back. Lengthening the neck and the spine, arms next to the ears. Don't bend the knees. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Hands to either side of your feet, relax the neck. Crown the forehead resting below the knees. Inhale, halfway lift to flat back. You can either slide the hands up your shins, keeping the ribs in, lengthening the neck, or you can reach the fingertips down. Exhale, hands down, stepping the right foot back, making your way to a low lunge, top of the back foot pressing down. Make sure your knee does not pass the toes. Gazing forward, shoulders back. Deep breath in. Exhale, hands down, stepping it back to plank. Heels over toes, shoulders over wrists, core engaged. On the exhale, lowering down knees, chest and chin. Lift those hips up. Elbows in at the sides. Inhale to the cobra, tops of the feet pressed down, rolling the spine up. Elbows in at the sides. Exhale, making your way to a down dog, either on your knees first or straight up to down dog. Lifting those hips, working the heels down, but it's fine if your heels don't touch the ground, you'll get there. If you find your spine rounding, bend into the knees, looking between the feet, and externally rotating your shoulders so your armpits are turning to face each other. Inhale, right foot forward, low lunge. Exhale, stepping it forward, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Reaching the arms up and back. Exhale into your chest. Samasthiti. That's the right side. Now we'll go ahead and do the left side. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, forward fold. All the way down. Keep the legs straight if it's comfortable for you, otherwise bend in. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, left foot back, low lunge. Inhale, hands down, step it back to plank. Exhale, lower down knees, chest, chin. Inhale to cobra. Roll the spine up. Exhale, roll the spine down, tuck the toes. Make your way to downward dog, lift the hips. Inhale, left foot forward, low lunge. Exhale, step both feet forward, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Arms reaching up and back. Exhale into your chest. Samasthiti. And that is one cycle of Surya Namaskar A, left and right. A nice little tip for you is when you're just starting, it can be quite confusing. When do I step the left foot back? When do I step the right foot back? So what helped me is it's not left, right. It's right foot back, right foot forward. Left foot back, left foot forward. Hope this is helpful for you. Namaste.